Adjusting screen brightness in Windows 10 doesn't have to involve digging through settings menus. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a brightness slider directly to your notification center. Now, you might already have this slider available, but if it's not there by default, this small customization can save you valuable time throughout your workday. Begin by locating the notification icon at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Then, click on it to open the Action Center. For those who prefer keyboard navigation, you can simply press Windows key +A to open the Action Center instantly. Now, if the Quick Actions panel shows only a few tiles, look for the Expand button and click it to reveal the complete set of available options. Once your Quick Actions panel is fully visible, right-click on any empty space within that panel. From the menu that appears, select Edit to begin customizing your panel. From here, you should now see Add button appearing in your Quick Actions panel. Click this button to browse through the available shortcuts that you can add. Once you see a brightness option, simply click on it to add the brightness slider to your collection of quick actions. After you've added the brightness slider, click Done button to confirm your changes and exit the editing mode. Your new brightness slider is now permanently available in your notification center. This means you can adjust your display brightness in just 2 clicks, regardless of which application you're working in. Thank you for watching.